Miracle number 1. Actor Vijaykanth's 3 toes on his right leg were removed due to diabetes wound. There are many diabetic patients with wounds in the leg not curable. Miracle number 2.
You know, the Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded to 3 doctors, Blackburn of UCSF, Greider of Johns Hopkins, and Shostak of Harvard Medical School for their discovery of, quote, how chromosomes are protected by telomeres and the enzyme telomerase. This shows chromosomes with their ends called telomeres.
Our death originates in the telomeres. The length of telomeres shortens as we age. Studies show HBOT can increase telomere length by up to 38%. That's like adding time back to your biological clock.
Imagine humans inventing a time reversal device. Think of the chaos.
HBOT and stem cell therapy will make us young.
Miracle number 3.
HBOT also removes wrinkles and make your face shining with collagen inside.
My toenails in the feet became junk. I cut and cleaned the cracked nails and then ate home prepared chicken legs bone broth that was full of collagen for a month. Surprisingly, the nails got repaired and became young looking. So I advise you bone broth for improving your face without wrinkles and younger looking nails.
Doing hyperbaric oxygen therapy if you want to produce more collagen and give you this anti-aging, young, plump-looking skin.
Hyperbaric oxygen therapy improves skin elasticity and is anti-wrinkle.
Miracle number 4. HBOT makes your brain sharp. Miracle number 5 of HBOT, curing of ED of men.
63,000 men revive their bedroom power and feel like they're 22 again.
Significant improvement in erectile function. A study involving 30 men with chronic AD who underwent 40 HBOT sessions reported an 88% improvement in erectile function. Additionally, 80% of participants noted positive outcomes, including enhanced orgasmic function and overall satisfaction.
Angiogenesis is the creation of new blood vessels. Tumors use it to keep growing. Well, our fatty tissue also needs a blood supply to expand. So,
angiogenesis and enhanced blood flow. HBOT has been shown to induce angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, in penile tissue. This leads to improved blood flow, which is crucial for achieving and maintaining erections. HBOT may aid in nerve regeneration, which is beneficial for individuals with AD resulting from nerve damage.
Miracle number 6.
And the individual's ability to breathe. The higher up the injury occurs, the worse the symptoms. Damage to the thoracic spine typically affects the legs, pelvic organs, and can impact blood pressure. Damage to the lumbar spine can affect one or both legs and may also cause incontinence. Paralysis of both the arms and legs is referred to as tetraplegia, while paralysis of just the legs is referred to as paraplegia. Unfortunately, there is currently no cure for spinal cord injury.
Spinal cord injury, SCI, recovery. A retrospective review revealed that HBOT led to variable degrees of motor function improvement in patients with spinal cord injuries. Notably, 8 patients achieved full motor function recovery.
Miracle number 7.
Can do this, the more likelihood for higher levels of remission. If a child has an autism diagnosis and they're already over the age of, say, 7 or 9 years old, it's very likely that they're going to have at least mild to moderate traces of autism for the rest of their life. But if you're able to...
Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD. Study, International Journal of Clinical Practice. Result, some children showed behavioral and cognitive improvements after 40 HBOT sessions. Why it matters? HBOT may reduce neuroinflammation and oxidative stress.
Miracle number 8.
Central retinal artery is a blood vessel which supplies blood to the eye. A sudden loss of vision occurs when the blood vessel is obstructed. Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy increases the oxygen concentration and dissolves oxygen in the blood, resulting in a wide oxygen redistribution. This allows oxygen to reach the retinal artery of the eye through other blood vessels. In patients with a cellular retinal artery, an additional artery of the eye is present. Increased oxygen reaches the retinal layer faster, thus leading to healing and return of vision.
Miracle number 9.
It's almost hard to describe. I have always said to people, don't ever let me own a gun because I think I would probably shoot myself in the head to stop the pain.
It's hard to imagine such extreme pain unless you've experienced it, but migraine is one of the leading causes of disability in the world.
A large proportion of the population suffer from it, and if a median migraine attack is lasting a full day, that's a lot of disability across a lifetime.
Migraine with aura. Study, Cephalalgia Journal. Result, HBOT reduced frequency and intensity of migraines in some patients. Why it matters? Oxygen may stabilize vascular tone and reduce cortical spreading depression. Conclusions. To stay young and beautiful, the tools are: 1. Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy. 2. Stem cells therapy. In fact, HBOT is basically a stem cell therapy without any surgical need, as the 100% oxygen brings 8-fold increase in stem cells in the blood. The plasma rich in oxygen flows to all cells in the body.